early years. So today I've got a story that I'm going to share with you, and then we're going to do some maths around it. It's called Maisy Goes Camping. One summer afternoon, Maisy set off to go camping in the country. All her friends went with her. They found the perfect place to make a camp. It's hard work pitching a tent. That's good, Eddie. Well done, Tallulah. Heave. Oh dear, the tent fell down. They tried and tried and tried again until at last the tent stayed up. What a big tent! There's room for everyone. After supper, they sang songs around the campfire. Then it was time for bed. First, in went Cyril with his torch. Nice pyjamas, Cyril. One in the tent. Now, let's go back and see how many of them there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 friends and 1 has gone in the tent. Do you know how many are left outside the tent? 4. Well done, because 4 and 1 makes 5. Next came Charlie. Mind the tent pegs, Charlie. 2 in the tent. So we know we've got 5 friends. 2 are in the tent. How many are outside the tent? 3. Great job, because 2 and 3 makes 5. Then it was Tallulah's turn. Sweet dreams, Tallulah. 3 in the tent. The 3 in the tent. How many are there outside the tent? 2. Fantastic, because 3 and 2 makes 5. And make room for Maisy. Move up, everyone. 4 in the tent. So there are 4 in the tent. How many are outside the tent? Well done. 1, because 1 and 4 makes 5. Is there room for 1 more? Oh, what do we think? Come on, Eddie. Oh dear. 5 in the, what a squash. 5 in the, what a squeeze. 5 in the, what a squeezy squish squash. So if there are 5 in the tent, how many are outside the tent? Well done. 0, because 0 and 5 makes 5, or 5 and 0 makes 5. 5 in the tent. Good night, campers. Pop. Out popped Cyril. Pop. Out popped Tallulah. Pop. Out popped Charlie. Pop. Out popped Maisy. Sleep tight, campers. 1 in the tent. And how many under the stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and there's another one. And 1 in the tree. Ooh. Right, so all we're going to worry about today is the 5 friends that went camping. We're not going to worry about the owl. Okay, so what I'd like you to do over the next 2 days, so you can decide what you want to do today and what you want to do tomorrow, or you might want to do it all today. It's up to you. So I would like you to tell the story using something that you've got at home. So you might have got some characters at home that you could use, or some little animals, or anything you like, but can you tell the story? And you can make a tent using a piece of paper or a piece of card, and I want you to think how many animals are in the tent and how many are outside, and see if you can tell the story in that way and think about the numbers. Okay, when you've done that and you've told the story, then I want you to have a go at drawing the story. So a bit like we do sometimes in English, we do a story map, only this is in maths this time. So you know, everybody knows Mrs. Butler is not the best at drawing. So I've done mine really simply, but you can do yours however you want. So can you draw how many animals are in the tent and how many animals are outside the tent for each bit of the story, and see if you can do it in order. Okay, and if you want to, you can write the numbers as well. Now, the reason that would be really good if you could do it in order is to see if you can see any patterns. And when you've done it, if you can have a little chat with your grown-up, and if you notice anything, perhaps they could write it down on your picture, and that way we'll know whether you've spotted any patterns. So it's a bit of an investigation over the next couple of days, and you decide how you want to do it. Okay, and we really look forward to seeing what you find out. Bye everyone.